Hello everybody, it's Mindy and I have a Diamond Art Club to show you. I haven't ordered a Diamond Art Club in a while. They had the holidays, they were off, they've done a bunch of other things I didn't really want, all that stuff. But then they have had some sale items, like they've had 20% off, no coupon needed, things are just marked down. And this is one that I have wanted. Thank you, Angie, for having this at the retreat. I've wanted it since then. So I saw this 20% off. And I did not use, I think I used a coupon code. I didn't use any reward points. Anyhow, I'm pretty sure you can use your coupon codes with the sale because these are just marked down. And I think you can use a coupon code with it. Try it. I don't know. If you're a first-time purchaser, you can try 10 off Mindy, and that will save you $10. I'm pretty sure it will work on these. I mean, all I can say is try it. Okay. Anyhow, let's show you what I got. It's round, right? It's round, and oh my gosh, it's beautiful. My friend Sue bought it not too long ago, but she bought it at Hobby Lobby. So this is one that you could get at Hobby Lobby. However, I have not found it there. So when it came up available on the website, I got it. Okay. All right. Let's show you what we got. I will show you what we got. All right. Here's what we have. Are you ready? We know it's a round toolkit, which means it doesn't have tweezers. It's got 2 heart waxes, your pen, your squishy, your tray. It's got a 4-placer. See it right there? I love those. I use those all the time. They're my favorites. And some baggies, okay? That's what it comes with in the toolkit. All right, you ready? Are you ready? It's just called Wildflowers Butterflies. I have loved it since I first saw it. Hello. And it's Gina Jane. Gina Jane, I found her on Etsy. She did that red truck with the flowers in the back. That was her. Yes. So I've always liked her work. And look at how pretty that is. Oh my gosh, it's bigger than I thought it was. I remember it was big. Angie had been like, I haven't done the middle. I hate doing the middles. Anyhow, 84 by 56 centimeters, 33 by 22 inches. That's a big one. Oh my gosh. I guess I didn't realize it was that big. It's a large one, but it's so pretty. And just, okay, as a YouTuber, I try to show you things and I try to show them to you in the best possible way, the best light possible, things like that. But seriously, guys, oh man, this one's pretty soft. This is much softer canvas. I don't know. This is a remake. It came out recently. I mean, what am I trying to say? Back in stock. That's what I'm trying to say. I don't know. This canvas on the back is softer than some of the newer ones have been. I don't know what's going on with the canvases. They're changing. They're back and forth. I don't know. Anyhow, as I was saying, it's poured glue, so I'm going to roll it backwards. We try to show them to you in the best possible light and show you just how gorgeous they are. But even the best lighting that any of us have is nothing compared to what they look like in person. They are always just so much prettier in person. It's just the way it is. They're just, wow. Okay. So here is our little instruction booklet. There is a code in here. Like I said, you can use 10 off Mindy for $10 if you're a first purchaser. But there's always codes. I cannot talk right. There are always codes available for future purchases. There's one here. There's one on your canvas. There's usually one in your box. You can find discount codes all over the place. Okay? Just look at that. Oh my. Look at those colors. Okay. Here is our sticker sheet. There are 54 colors. It's got a lot of colors. 54. That is a good number of colors. I mean, look at all of the colors. Whoa. Blues, pinks, yellows, white, greens. Gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. This is all sticker. You can stick this. I've been using these, putting in my logbook. Tells you who it's licensed by, the size. And let's look at ABs. Anything under 150 with Diamond Art Club is an AB. So it looks like there are 3. 136, which is a beautiful blue, gorgeous blue. 135 is a green, and 126 will be a light purple. It's going to be beautiful. Maybe we'll get some in these little bluebells right here. Okay, we got to look at this. Like I said, it's been, oh my gosh, 7 months or more since I've seen this, and I can't stop thinking about it. Look at it. Look at it. It's so beautiful. It's so beautiful. I need to do this spring. Yeah, it's gorgeous. Oh my gosh. Cone flowers, daisies. I think those are little bluebells up there. Oh my gosh. How many butterflies are there? 1, 2, well, those are 2 swallowtails. That's a monarch. Then we have this one up here. I'm not certain what that one is, but, and they're there. Okay. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. Oh, there's one right there. It's gorgeous. Oh my gosh, it's beautiful. Just love it. I just love it. Do we have something over there? What is that? Is that a little critter? It is. It's another little butterfly. Look, here's his wings. They go this way, and that's his body. That's another butterfly. Wow, there's so many butterflies. Oh, there's lupine over here. Those are lupine up there. This purple flower right here. I finally got lupine to grow this year, you guys. They normally die. And this, okay, I will tell you that this right here looks like butterfly bush. And it attracts butterflies, of course. So I think there's a butterfly bush in there as well. It's just this beautiful mix of flowers. How can you not love that, right? It's beautiful. And to see it worked up, it just took my breath away. I kept walking by Angie's table just looking at it going, that is so pretty. That is so pretty. And it is so me. It is so Mindy, right? All right, I am very interested to see. Okay, we have a legend on both sides. Let me just mention that before I jump ahead. All your symbols are there. Your information about the painting is at the bottom. I'm too excited to look at the drills. I want to know where these AB go. Let's get into them. I got to see this. Wildflowers and butterflies. And it's round. Yeah. You know what I should do? This is what I should do. I should take, oh, hello. I should take this one to the retreat with me in June, right? And be like, hey, look. Look at that pink. Look, I'm going to work on this because I think every retreat we should have one of these. That would be funny, wouldn't it? Oh, look at the colors. They're so pretty. All right, we got to zoom in a little now. Come on. Let's go in. All right. Blue, yellow. There's a lot of this white. Greens, another beautiful blue, another beautiful yellow, 2 bags of 3755, more greens, 2 3841s, some brown, green, and 2 of the 3325 blue, because we got a lot of blue going on there, right? Lots and lots of blue. All right, what else do we got? Where's the end? Where's the end I need? All right, here we go. Whoa, bright, bright pink and an orange. I love that. We got a little bit of black. Of course, the swallowtails and the monarch need black, don't they? Purples, pinks, yellow, orange. Where's our ABs? Come on. Some more pinks, some more purples. Oh, there's one right there. There's that blue. I call it a bluish purple color. 135. It's really pretty, super pretty. AB stands for Aurora Borealis. They put an iridescent coating on those. See them? They pick up all the colors. There's greens and pink and blue and all kinds of colors shine on that. And then they just sparkle on your canvas, right? Some reds, another purple. All right, last strip. Here we go. Green, that's dark, dark blue, brown, brown, cranberry, more purples, orange. Okay, here's another AB. There's that light purple, like a lilac color, I would call it. Another purple, and here's the green. It's that bright green, okay? All right, let's see what we have. So we do have the dark blue, which is 3, the green is 2, and the light lilac purple color is 1. Where are they? Where are they? Okay, the blue. Let's look for blue, number 3. Dark. Oh, wow. Okay, so this is interesting. It's actually all around here, this butterfly here. Nice. That's some of the blue. Where else? Where else do you have it? Come on. There's so much to look at here. It's hard to find. Oh boy. There was quite a bit of the blue. I should be able to find more blue, shouldn't I? Are you seeing it? You guys are probably hollering, I see it. And I'm not. Oh boy. Okay, well, let's look for 1s and 2s. 2s are the green. That should pop out. That does, okay? That's here in these leaves right here is the 2. It's that bright green. There's some here. Some here. Over here. Up here. That's where the bright green is. All right. And then the 1 is that really light purple. Okay, I found some right here. Right here in this flower is some of the light purple AB. And let's scan for more purples. More purple here. Nope. No. There's just a little bit. Oh, come on. Any more? Right here. Right there. Just in the center of that flower. I think that's a lupine. Or is that the butterfly bush? I think that's the butterfly bush. And some here. Here. Up here in the bluebells. Yay! I'm calling those bluebells. They're probably campanula or something like that. But anyhow. All right. That's going to be super pretty. I mean, I did see it worked up. I know it's pretty. It's gorgeous is what it is. Gorgeous. Okay. So if you're interested, go snag you one. I'm pretty sure it's available. I don't know. I'll look. But it's beautiful. What do you think? I mean, think about how much brighter that's going to be when you put all those colors on it. I mean, look at that. Just, can you picture it? Can you picture how pretty that's going to be? Yeah, I might take it to the retreat. I think that would be fun. Here, look. Right? Okay. Thank you, everybody, for watching. Let me know what you think about this below in the comments. I always enjoy your comments. And yeah, if you like the video, give it a thumbs up and come back and see more stuff. Think about subscribing, all that stuff. So thank you so much. I hope you enjoyed this. It's gorgeous. I'm going to have a hard time putting it back in the box. You know what I mean? Because right now it is cold, and icy and snowy. And I just want a breath of that, you know? All right. Thanks, everybody. I'll see you soon. Take care. Bye.